Hello YouTube, Batman Original here, bringing you another video. Today I'm going to be giving a closer look at my Kemper mask made out of silicone by the talented Artbyum. This is from the 2003 Texas Chainsaw Massacre remake, and it is the face of the Kemper character. Hand punched hair. The hair is a mix of animal hair and human hair. Great paint job. Very nice piece indeed. Like I said, silicone. See some of the vein work. Real stitches. Very scary, creepy looking piece. The best Kemper mask money can buy, without a doubt. And these were a limited run, as all of his masks are. I do have a Eric mask, aka New Face, coming soon, and a Badman V2 silicone also coming. So stay tuned for those videos. I love this mask. If you haven't checked out my unboxing on it, go check that video out. It's a very, very creepy mask. There's been tons of versions of the Kemper, and this one definitely takes the cake. You can even see some of the sweat and how the blood just glistens. Very, very creepy. Love this mask. Hugo always does a great job. And this camera doesn't even pick up all the vein work, but you can kind of see it, the purples and the blues. Show you the back of the mask. The hair is all nice and matted down and grungy and nasty looking. There's mixtures of grays, and the rest of it's pretty much like a dark brown. There's the back of the bust, or the mask should I say. It's on a head form. This mask is really, really heavy when you wear it, but it's not so heavy to the point where it is uncomfortable. It is a very comfortable mask to wear, but I don't really wear my masks. Real stitches. The back is just nasty looking. The hair work on this thing is awesome. Hugo always does a great job. Some of the rips and stuff on the side stitched together, and even see the faint hairs on it. But anyways, guys, just wanted to share this mask with you all up close. Figured you all would probably like it if you are a big fan of the remake Chainsaw movies. Stay tuned for more videos. Thumb this video up if you enjoyed it. And we'll see you later.
Ha!